Hello, 'tis I. What's good, everyone? What's good? What's good? Sorry, the stream is late today. I was playing basketball with some friends after work. Couldn't pass it down. It's a beautiful day. Plus, I guess I should do cardio, at least once a month. I was telling them earlier when I was playing, I was like, this is probably the only cardio I've done in the past 5 years is play basketball. And I played basketball. I've probably in the past 5 years played basketball maybe 5 times. Like, it does not happen often anymore. But it was good. It was fun. And now it's time to grind before I cash out and go to bed. So, we're trying to figure out where this next button logic is going to go. That's what I wanted to figure out. How do you set these? Because you can set the... You can set the button, like, colors and whatnot, can't you? So I just want the next button. If I pull one of these, should be able to just grab this. And let's see. Let's see. Can I have the scripting API? It should transfer you right over. I know sometimes there's no direct correlation, but it should try. Okay. Button, clickable, clicked, unclicked. We should be able to set the color somewhere, no? So we could set it to not. I don't want it to not be there. I want it to only. I want it to be grayed out until a certain condition is met. That color is determined in here, I guess. So oh, what if it's disabled? Can you set it to be disabled? Disabled is what I want. That's exactly what I want. I want disabled. I want the button to be disabled. Let's be clear about that. Throw in a subject there for my adjective. So I'm seeing, what, 1 of 4 matches? Disabled US class name. USS class name with the local disabled elements. It's not really what I want. Set enabled. Perfect. All right, so can we close this, please? Let's go ahead and grab this. And we wanted to note the fact that it is enabled or disabled. So if you ever add a player, you should just call UI man oh no, we'll do it here, that's fine. UI manager, add player icon. Just do here, we're just gonna set the button logic. And we're just gonna do if players is greater than 0, then do we'll call this connect players button. Do we need to do a Git component? Set enabled. Let me grab the docs real quick. Set enabled is a method. Okay, cool beans. So yeah, we'll do set enabled true, else and then we're gonna add this as a public object. Actually, it's a public button. Hey, Shino, how you doing? Glad to see you on, man. I wasn't sure. I know it's late there for you, so I wasn't sure if you were gonna be up and on. How you doing? Glad you joined the stream. Is this gonna work? It should. Oh, on start, do oh, nice. How's it coming along, man? Honestly, sometimes just grinding, programming late at night is so fun. I can't even. But does not contain a definition for set enabled and no accessible extension method. Sorry, but yeah, sometimes those late night sessions on the grind are so fun. Definitely been there, done that. They're not fun when you're just trying to, debug for hours straight. The same issues. Debugging is fun, in my opinion, until you pass like half an hour of zero progress or going in circles. If we do Unity UI, no. Am I going crazy? It's just calling the wrong button. That's what's going on. UI elements. Button interactable? Maybe. Let me just go to the example. I mean, this will tell me right here. Nope, no, it won't. I lied. Visual element. If I do Unity, nah. No, it doesn't look interactable. It's again, it's this button because it's getting this class. Like, where's this class button coming from? Yeah, because it's saying. No, none of this is right. Because it's not getting it from the right place. It's getting it from a button object that's defined somewhere else. No, it's not. It's I'm trying to reference this. It won't let me though. I should have checked the docs somewhere. There's no there isn't an example for this. Not for defining one though. Alright, so other fix is to just what? Now I'm just confused. I'm very lost right now. Um, I just want to gray it out. I just want to disable it. And I have UI elements in here, which is where this is coming from. Oh, my bad. I read that wrong the first time. I did, I was doing set enabled still. No, it still doesn't like this. That's what I'm thinking, but there's not really another option. So I have using Unity Engine UI and using Unity Engine UI elements in here. Now, I swear the first time I did this, there was a bunch of options, and now there's none. Yeah, I'm gonna remove these two if it's not using it, and there's no reason for it to be there. Oh, bruh. So now this one's fine. But I thought you'd want to do... I do like this. Well, UI elements is what it says it's under. Like, it says it's UI elements, and I open up the doc straight from here, right? Oh, maybe I clicked on the wrong one when I went to scripting then. Where's... Why is UI not even in here? Why does it not even exist? That's atrocious. Atrocious. I guess I don't know either. But this is what I clicked on. Still not. Like, what is this? It just says button, it doesn't tell me where it's from. No, it's still using that old... I don't remember the syntax for this. Bro, that's exactly how I feel right now. What's here? 7,000? How do I do it right though? Oh, it's just a dot. Ah, there's the guy that knows what he's talking about. Cool. Like, where's the documentation for this? That's what I want to know. Like, why was there no docs for this? Oh, that's why, because this is version 2018. That's why. That makes sense. So I think UI elements just replaces UI. If I had to make an educated guess. Which means I'd probably just do set enabled here. I was like, how is there no documentation for Unity UI? It should tell me in VS Code that this is, that's legacy. Okay, cool. Well, thank you. Now I know the difference between UI and UI elements. I also know how to do this because I always forget and I don't know how to look that up. Like, I don't even know how to phrase that. But, okay, cool. Is it gonna... gonna do its thing. I don't know. Oh, hold on. There's a lot of things that we haven't done yet. We'll do public void open mode select menu. And then this is going to do player we'll do connect menu dot set active. Actually want it to be false, and then there we go. Not at all what I wanted, but it was close. It was close. Okay. I forget how I did each of these. Where's start game at? Oh, so that just restarts the game, which is good. That's actually what I want to do anyways. Okay, that's fine. Okay. This all checks out. Go to main UI manager. We're going to go to the button is not on there. All that hard work I spent putting in the button and it doesn't show up. Oh, that's not cool. It doesn't show at all. Because it's a weird type is why it doesn't show up. And I don't think there's an easy way to do this in the code. So what I'm gonna have to do is do that and then do get component that. And I'm lazy, so I'm gonna do this for all of them instead of creating a new variable and just doing it once. But it's also 3 references, so I feel like it's not that big of a deal. Okay. All right, let's try this. Let's try this. Okay. So that's that. The connect menu is this. Mode selection is yeah. There we go. Okay. All right, let's try this. Let's see what happens. I don't like that at all. Get component requires the requested component button derives from mono behavior or component on component or component or is an instance. Is it not? Or is it not? Then what's the component? Like, bruh. All I want to do is reference this. That's all. That's all I want to do. Bruh. It might be. I think it's button control. Maybe not. I really thought we had this. I'm so lost, bro. But that I just don't understand. Like that's deprecated, so why? Sorry. I'm sorry, man. I know you said this, like, 20 minutes ago or whatever. But I don't understand why this is, deprecated since 2018, and this is still the way to do it. Like, that's where I'm confused. Like, this doesn't even have, this literally just brings you to a blank screen. Because I'm using 22.3, right? Yeah. Can I look up? What if I just want components? It's not gonna tell you what the types of components are. That's terrible. Like that's genuinely terrible. Why does it not tell you what's a component and what's not? Alright, give me a second. I just need to do a quick Google search. This is really bugging me. Yeah, that didn't work, brother. Interesting, because that's not what Oh, it's from 2015, that's why. If it's more recent posts, how about this one? Interesting. So I wonder what replaced. Like, that's what I'm confused about is, so the scripting docs are way different than this. Like Unity, this says Unity UI, right? But there's no Unity UI in a scripting API. So I'm just very confused as to what's going on there. And I'm going down a very deep rabbit hole right now, but no, it's UI elements. All right, never mind. I'm giving up. We're done. Sorry, I just like spiraled, but bro, I'm actually gonna crash out. Like, this is ridiculous. Wait, sorry. Guys, I have to check on something real quick. I'll be back in a minute. I apologize. I'll be right back. All right, sorry. Apologies, I just realized that I'm streaming late and I didn't tell my girlfriend, so I had to text her and be like, yo, sorry I'm not responding to you, but I'm streaming. I promise I was not intentionally ignoring you. But, all right, yo, Shino, what was the UI elements? Did you get like a description on, bruh, I'm about to crash out. Was there like a description on it or anything, or no? I'm not even, oh wait, hold on, I know why. I didn't actually read there, I just assumed it was the same one as it was before. It's not. Okay, which checks out because that is that. All right, let's go over at that. Whew. Okay, gotcha. And now it's grayed out. And you can't click it, but then when you do this, boom, now you can click it. Hey, yo, look at that. Oh, wait. I have to actually assign. I always get so carried away. Bro, do not exit the game. What are you talking about? Why is this exit game? Oh, because the whatever I pushed was exit game. So why is this not exiting the game? Now I'm confused. What is exit game? I don't think it does that in editor. UI manager. Open mode select menu. Okay, now we should be chilling. Yeah. Checks out. Okay, add player. Boom. So now I think there's just one more thing we have to do. Some adjustments here to the UI. Wait, no. Let's see, this one is 79, 9, and this one will do negative 69, right? 79, 9. Yeah, that looks funky, I won't lie. Change this to text is very big. Look, what if it's just a little smaller? No, that looks silly. Alright, yeah, there should be some beefy numbers, so. What if I do... Oh, I think it's just gonna be like that. I think we're just gonna say, suck it up. Bro, this is actually... Because Y79, Y9, minus another 70... Oh, it's 61. Big maths right there, big maths. Okay. I'm gonna have this exit button instead of exiting the game. I'm gonna have this restart the game. Because that'll go back to the original menu. It'll also reset it'll reset everything, but I think that's fine. I think that's okay. Okay, so just a quick overview, mostly for myself. Arcade is what we're in right now. That's endless. Arena is... I should probably put descriptions with all of these, shouldn't I? Just doing a lot of thinking right now. A lot of thinking. Okay, let's focus on functionality right now. Arcade is good, right? Arcade does what we want it to. Arena is good, does what we want it to. Right, because Arcade and Arena are just 2 players in a single player mode, so I think that's fine. Versus should be a new scene. Okay. Let's dial this up. Let's dial this up. We'll have to mess around with the UI, but everything else should be pretty close to the same. Let's go ahead and save this scene. Any overrides here? Well, a lot of overrides. Okay, let's apply all of these. Actually, let's disregard this. Show this. Apply that. Okay. That's good. Okay. I think we might just be able to grind this out in the next half an hour. Maybe. First of all, get this off my screen. I don't want to see these useless logs. Or these logs I don't care about anymore. More specific on that. Now, save this. I want to duplicate this. Can I duplicate a scene? Actually, I guess let's do. Okay, so now there's going to be one thing that's different, right? Is going to be this. I want that off. I want the intro panel on. Also, let's make this a prefab. UI. I didn't really understand the full extent of prefabs, Bruh. Bruh. BFFR. Be faux real. Okay. I didn't want to do that. Did I? I don't want to do any of that. That's fine. That's fine. We'll do this. We'll do this. We'll do this. Again. It just fooled me again. Okay. Now what I want to do is... I want to edit this and call this the... Hold on, I'm thinking. How do I do this so that way? Because I don't want it to apply to the UI manager, right? Oh man, I have like 6,000 thoughts racing through my head right now. Okay. Let's just go in here. We'll say screw it for now, right? Or can we do... Oh, the intro panel is... Wait, what's the intro panel? Arcade style. Okay, let's change this, and let's change this to, oh, interesting. So if I rename this to, well, actually, let's see if I do this first, right? Oh, I just wasn't double clicking. Oh, okay, cool. So let's rename this to versus intro panel. Then title. Change this to versus style. Still want to set it up. Now the body, in this game you want to fend off let's say you can eat bugs to gain their power-ups and gain an advantage. And let's do the best front win. Not bad, not bad. right? Right. You know. Okay. Okay. This seems good. I like that. So now what? Now what? Now what? Now what? Now what? Oh, now I take this out of there and throw in this one. And now what? All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry. That's not what I wanted. That is not what I wanted. I was trying to open up a different menu. Whoops. Didn't mean to just do that. Yo, hey Visa, what's good, bro? What's good? How you been? Where you been, bro? I haven't seen you in months. That's actually crazy. Man just took a hiatus for a couple months. All right, I'm trying to grind out this in the next 20 minutes. Well, have you been busy with at least, good stuff, fun stuff, or not fun stuff? All right, so we got. Oh, let's go ahead and do this for now. Boost spawner I think is good. University for coding projects for clients. Hey, that's good though. That's good. Hey, project to clients means you're making money. Uni is rough. It's rough, but it's that long-term grind. That long-term, is what it is. Definitely understand with uni. I know for most US, if not all US unis right now, it's ending. Like semester's ending, I think this week or next week, depending on where you're at. But I don't know where it's at with you, because I know like Australia wouldn't be ending for another 2 months. I've been good. Working. Yeah, I know you're from Peru, but I just didn't know, like, I don't know what your uni schedule's like. I did remember that you're from Peru, though. What have I been up to? Bro, this game has been... I spent probably 2 months trying to get multiplayer working, and we're just now finishing it. But, actually, bro, it's been getting warmer here. It's been doing good. It was a nice day today. I was playing basketball earlier. That's why I'm streaming late. But yeah, we're almost done with multiplayer. I just gotta add this versus mode in, but all the controls are mapped and everything, so that's good. I got the controller support now. I know. Bro, 2 of those months I think I spent on this multiplayer, but we're just now finishing the grind. I'm trying to get it done tonight, at least all functionality wise. There'll be a lot of touch-ups that I gotta do, but yeah, I mean, I haven't updated the actual website in months, but if I go and I think I just want to decrease all of these to, what's the spawn rate on these? 5 and 8. Let's change all these to like 4, and then this is gonna be more complicated than I thought it was gonna be. Alright guys, verse mode's not getting done tonight. Let's put this on the back burner. I'm gonna go and save this scene. So there's 3 modes right now. First 2 modes have been done for a while now. It's like the arcade round, where it just goes on forever. There's an arena round, which I have 15 different rounds that have different combinations of enemies spawning at different rates and whatnot. But now that I have multiple players able to play at the same time, I'm gonna add a versus mode. I thought it was just gonna be as simple as creating a new scene, but I gotta figure out how to have some sort of life system and all of that, because like I have health, but when they die, they should be respawning. Versus mode is gonna be 2 players playing against each other. So they'll probably both have, 3 or 5 lives. And they'll be fly spawning, but at a lower rate, so that way they can get power-ups, but they're not gonna be constantly like threatened by the flies, Like the flies won't be the main goal. The main goal will not be to kill flies, it'll be to kill each other. Yeah, I'm pretty hyped for this. But I gotta figure out a way to track the amount of times somebody dies. And in this particular scene, I have to not restart the game as soon as somebody dies. So I'll just have to add some code for that. But like as I said, I'm done streaming in 50 minutes, so I'm not gonna be. How are you gonna win money with this game, bro? Microtransactions, obviously. We're gonna have loot boxes. I'm just gonna put gambling in the game. It's just gonna be a casino, but wrapped around frogs. Maybe, but only like sidebar ads, not full screen ads. That's no. We don't do full screen ads. No. This is just gonna be free. But that would be hilarious if I added like cosmetics, microtransactions, ads everywhere. No. This is a personal side project. I'm not making money off this. I know that. I knew that coming into it. I don't think you can add ads on itch.io. I mean, I could make my own website and do that, but that'd be a long process. Behind the game screen, just make the game screen like 50% alpha, and behind it, it's just, an ad. No. What I really gotta do is, so top half of the screen is the game at 50% transparency. Behind it is just constant ads. Then the bottom half of the screen, left half Subway Surfers, right half Minecraft Parkour. Nobody will ever be able to stop playing my game. Bro, what you send in Discord, bro? Yo, the Club Penguin page, absolute classic, Ian. Look at this. This guy's making tons of money from GoDaddy. Are you making money on the game, Ian? If you don't mind me asking. On Club Penguin. Revived. Bro, I did not want to open that page. I just wanted to open OBS so I can see chat. Where's it at? Right there. Bro, there's no 20K a month? That's insane, bro. That's insane. Good for you. Good for you, man. That's sick. That's so sick. GoDaddy's just dishing you out the money. Oh, man. 4 million users? Dang. Again, nice work, bro. Nice work. That is really sick. Good for you. Has no one else done Club Penguin? Like, has nobody else revived Club Penguin? Oh no! I forgot Disney owns that. That's crazy. What are you gonna do? Like, I mean, they'll shut your website down, won't they? I mean, you can't really do anything if you want to keep the website up. That's scary though, because I mean, they could sue you and take all the money that you made from this game. 100%. Oh, nice. Classic. God bless the Russians. That's smart. Hey, good though. Good for you, man. Good for you. That's a sick project. It's a sick project. Sick hustle. Bro, doing that, breaking in 20K a month, plus, I know you said you got clients doing side projects like that, breaking in at least a little bit from that, and going to uni at the same time is nuts, bro. Like, that's a lot to be doing. But you're doing it. That's sick. That is so sick, bro. You just gotta keep pushing. Am I right? Gotta keep pushing. Yeah, alright, we're gonna just avert our attention from this for now. Round scene. So this guy here, I need to add projectiles, UI. I need the main UI manager in here now. Now that we got a UI prefab, makes it a lot better. Everything in here is filled out, which is pretty sick. Let's go ahead and duplicate this. Turn this into Arena. Hey, you good, man. If you're not back by the time I get off, have a good one. Hopefully I'll catch you on soon. Good luck with all your stuff, man. Alright, so what's going on here? I'm gonna get this main canvas. Just take all that out for now. What to do in this game? Attempt to fend off the bugs. You can eat bugs to get their power-ups. You can hold 2 bugs at a time. Oh, wait, hold on. Can I undo these? Actually, that's fine. We'll just apply them all. Okay. What's going on? Let's delete this. That's arcade. Oh, okay. So this is arcade intro panel. Oh, they're all arcade though. That's where I messed up. That's low-key fine though. Wait. I'm really confused now. So this is arcade. But that says arena. And that's arcade. So what if I just delete that? Bro, what is going on? This is actually just triggering me. Okay, so let's duplicate this. Call this arena. Arcade. Okay, now this is the arena. So first thing I'm gonna do is change this to arena. Okay, I got 3 minutes to crank this thing out. See how many rounds you can last. And now we can add the arena to here. Cancel that out. And now I think we're chilling. Okay, so I'm gonna save. Oh, there's a lot of things we gotta do still, actually. We need to do prefabs, characters, player object, instead of player. Just gonna take that out of there. I think this is right, because I have a start camera. Does the game manager need the start camera? Yes, it does. Let's make this a prefab also. Cool. All right, so now let's go back to scenes. Let's go to rounds. Start camera, and okay. I actually don't know if this is even gonna work, but we'll try. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, no. First problem is that oh wait, the game manager doesn't have a what's it called? All right, let's just copy this component. Put it here. Mouse, keyboard, controller. So that still doesn't work. Gosh. All right. We'll have to figure out that next time. Might stream before Monday. We'll see. But, all right, guys. I'm going to head out. It's getting late here. Not really, but I'm going to head out. I got to do a couple things. Hey Visa, Shadow, thanks for hopping on. If you guys want to check out more content, hop over to YouTube. Hey Visa, go and hit up the Discord server. It's in the Twitch bio. Come and join the community. So that way, even when you're busy, you're still with us. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.